Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, our lesson is about coordinate. What does it mean when we say coordinate? Coordinate is the position of a point on a number line. I will be explaining this concept using an illustration. Okay, we have here school, this is home, and this is hospital. These three places lie on the same straight line. On the left side of home is school, which is 40 meters away from home. And on the right side of home is hospital, which is 20 meters away from home. To make these distances more clear or specific, we will draw a number line. Okay, so this is now our number line. 0 is our origin. Okay, let's say home is point A, school is point B, and hospital is point C. So what is the position of these points on a number line? Okay, for point A, it's 0. So it means the coordinate of point A is 0. Okay, what about point B? The coordinate of point B is negative 40. And for point C, the coordinate of point C is 20. So when we say coordinate of a point on a plane, this is the number corresponding to a point on a number line. Okay, if we have here point P, the coordinate of point P is A. So if we will write this one, so the coordinate of point P is A. Okay, this time, let's check these concept check questions. Look at the following number line and fill in the box with the correct answers. So this is our number line. Okay, this is point O, A, B, and point C. And these are the coordinates. So the coordinate of the 3 points A, B, and C are, okay, for point A, it's negative 4. What about for point B? This is 5. And for point C, 3. Okay, we have negative 4, 5, and 3 respectively. This can be represented as, okay, the coordinate of point A is negative 4. The coordinate of point B is 5. And the coordinate of point C is 3. Okay, this time, let's answer this simple problem. What is the value of 2b minus a for 2 points? Coordinate of A is A and coordinate of B is B. Okay, if we are going to take a look at this number line, the coordinate of A is negative 5. So A, negative 5. Okay, what about B? Since this is between negative 1 and negative 2, so the coordinate of B is negative 3 over 2. Okay, now we will find the value of 2b minus a. So we are just going to substitute the value of a and b in this equation or in this expression. So we have 2b minus a. So 2, and what is b? So this is negative 3 over 2. Okay, minus a, which is negative 5. So minus negative 5. So if we will simplify, this is negative 3 minus negative 5. So negative 3 plus 5, and now that's equal to positive 2. So the value of 2b minus a for these 2 points, coordinate of a is negative 5, coordinate of b is negative 3 over 2. The value is 2.